In the following demonstration, FITA will provide an insight into best practice installation techniques taught on training courses using a wide range of products kindly supplied by our sponsors.
So the first thing that we need to do is to groove the join. Whilst you're grooving, you want to make sure you want to go down 2/3 the thickness. You don't want to groove all the way through to the subfloor. 2/3 the thickness. If you've got larger areas, you can groove a join out of this a bit quicker. And same again on a larger commercial size, there's auto groovers and auto welders you can purchase as well. Notice at the moment, sometimes you can still see the weld. You just give it a pass. So we're not touching the material, we're just giving it a bit more of a different shade of colour, just to help blend it in again. So once we've finished doing the welded part and then we're finishing off the dressing, we're now going to turn this down. So with the Steiner welder, it got an additional thermostat on top. We turn it down to 50 degrees and we want to let the machine cool down. You don't want to turn it off straight away. So it's going to take around about 5 minutes to cool down. So general maintenance, please refer to manufacturer's guidelines. Every product requires different maintenance. Some manufacturers will sell you a maintenance kit as well.
For more information on this video or to book on a FITA course, all the links are in the bio.